Now I'm going to explain about schematic manager project creation. First, you have to go for the schematic manager, because open the schematic manager. So this is, it will ask the wizard to work, you want to create with the wizard or you have to create manually. So now I am going to create with your manual version. Okay, so it is easy for you to understand. So I'm give a cancel here. I go to the new project. In the new project, I'm clicking here and then I give a name, example program training. Okay, just give a name as a training. Okay, so now the project is created. Now here I will go for the insert object. In this insert new object, you can select which PLC you are going to insert. Example 400 station or 300 station. H station is nothing but it's a hard redundancy one, and schematic PC station is nothing but your PC we can create here. Other station means other CPUs, or you can whatever you want you can connect here, like this one. This is schematic SPI, SPI PC. This PGPC connection is nothing but that your PC to your CPU. You have to give a communications like that. So this is MPA, Profibus, or which networks you can adapt here. This foundation build bus like that. So S1 program also we can insert here. But once you create this one, this all will come. So I'm creating as a 400 station now. This 400 station. So now I will first selected the CPU. Which CPU I'm going to. This is not a model number, you cannot select here, just the which one we are going to do, 400 versions or 300 versions like that. Okay, so go to the hardware. So now we are going to make a hardware. What is the hardware you are going to use and how the hardware configuration is. In that hardware configurations, first one we are going to select a rail, because once we want to put a module, first of all what do you want, the rail is required. So I'm going to take a rail. So I'm select here as a rail. It will open the, where is the rail is that, it will come. See here rack is there, that is the rail. So I put the rail here and then it will shows the rack here. Okay, here in this rail I can select. Otherwise you go to the schematic 400. Here rack is there, because this one for the 300 it is there. See, you can go for the this one, because 400 stations all we have the racks, because this one will be in the normal rail. This will be, there is a racks will be there, different types of racks will be there in the 400 stations. First one is just I am putting for the normal, because this H all are for the hot redundant systems. In the 400 station only there's a hot redundant system will be there. In the 300 there is no hot redundant system, and this one is prefabricated, that is rail rack. Okay, so I make a CR2 rack. So in this normal rack, this is single PLC only. Here I can give a power supply first. Example, if you right click here and insert object, you can go here. What is the power supply you want? Okay, PS4 10 amps like that. I select. Now I am selecting insert object. It will create. Now first one is power supply, I told you now. Next one is CPU. This is the procedure here. I am making a CPU 412, any one CPU, no problem. So I am making a single CPU. So the third one is what I am telling you, that is communication modules. So third one is communication model, CP model. So I make a point to point communications, CP441, or otherwise I want to create a, this is industrially Ethernet communications. Okay, so I create which version it is. Here you have to give a, actually this one which it will support, it will come here. So you have to, this is IP address is there, right? Selected, it's the next level address or suggested. So now I'm giving a Ethernet connections. So who is the author? Just I'm putting one name. Okay, I'm the author, like that. Okay, so now it is created. Here in this properties you can make this, this is the subnet ID, this will be automatically create. Okay, so now this one is created. So this is TCP. So first you save, and save and compile is nothing but it will show any error is there, it will show. Okay, if there is no error, it will finish. Now once it is finished, you close this one, you can open here, see here, this is the structure will be there. So you can get a S7 program, sources, blocks. Okay, blocks you have see automatically the preloaded OB1 will be there. This is normally empty, this is created by the system itself, it is empty. So once you open a project, this will be this may create a hardware configurations, finish, it will come like this. Okay, thank you. The next we can continue with the hardware configuration along with the IO models. Okay, thank you.